Hey, I'm Daryl. Welcome to my channel, and if you're repeat, welcome back. Today I'm going to try to do a little tip on how to do peacock quills and on there. So let me just show you what I like to make them with. One of the things that that's been told to me is not to use these peacock herls here that are lumped together. Those are primarily a lot of they're not from the eye of the peacock on there. And you'll want to use basically probably that much, that eye right there on up to make your peacock eyes, because it'll end up being some better quality peacock herl up in there, and it gives a little bit more variation of color in the quill in that part. In there. So yeah, basically that part. And and one method, and we'll zoom in here on this a little bit here. So we'll take a fiber off, and we'll try the fingernail method. And if you probably got fingernails, it probably doesn't take this long. And that would be the fingernail method, I guess, on there. And the other method would be, let's say, using an eraser. It's the method I like when I only need like one or two of these. It goes a little bit faster. Trying to focus in on it. Anyway, you probably got the idea, hopefully. And another method you could use is maybe the beeswax method. But if you got it all off, you get it all off there, it might, you'd probably pre-wax your peacock herl. They also say that you can use a bodkin. Turn it over a little bit. It seems to work. But you know, I do like using the eraser better. Well, we go ahead and relocate down to the kitchen. I'll show you how to use maybe chemistry here to do that. I'm gonna show you how to do a bulk stripping of peacock herl for peacock quills. You know, peacock quills are pretty good for a lot of things. What you're going to need is some bleach, 2 tablespoons of baking soda to stop the process. But we're gonna, the ratio is like 1 to 3 water. One in there, and that water could be lukewarm, hot. And I probably should put gloves on. Since we're dealing with bleach. And I'll just position that right here. And we're going to go ahead and just do this. And as we're doing it, it's about 2 minutes. I should probably set a timer. Two minutes, and you can see already that it's already turning to tea. And the particles are the waters and bleach are, and don't let it sit too long in there, because what will happen is you'll probably get it way too white. And I'll probably speed this part up once we get going there. You never know. You know, these quill bodies, great for nymphs, dry flies. Yeah, let me go shut that timer off. We're going to pour that out. And some baking soda. That'll help stop the process. Get a dry countertop here. And there you have it. It's a stripped quill and ready for tying some quill bodies, whether it's a nymph or dry fly. Whole lot easier. And then I got a slow supply of them. I don't have to mess with it while I'm doing that. All right, I hope you found that interesting. We can make our own. You don't have to buy them, but buy the Peacock feather eye and use the eye portion on that. All right, I'm Daryl. Hopefully you found this interesting and helpful, and we will see you on the water. All right, bye.